Welcome back to the Chevy Nova build vlog. Today we're going to be working on taking apart the Muncie 4-speed transmission. This is the transmission that we're going to be putting in the 1970 Nova. It's a Muncie 4-speed and it's in really good shape, so what we're going to be doing is taking it apart, getting the different parts and pieces cleaned, and putting on new gaskets so we can put it back together. We have a good seal, no leaks, and we should have a really good transmission. All of these bolts around here have been loosened previously from when we did a quick inspection of the internals. So I'm just going to go ahead and take all of these out. The majority of the original gasket stuck to the inside of this plate. I'm going to spend more time off camera getting this gasket residue removed, but in the meantime I'm going to take some more of this transmission apart. Okay, so taking apart the transmission ended up being a two-person job. I needed an extra set of hands for taking the gears out of the housing and everything like that. I apologize for not getting that on camera. My dad is the one that held me, and he does not like being filmed or really having pictures taken of him at all anyway. So we got everything taken apart. I got most of it clean. There's still the back part that needs to be cleaned once we get one of the little pins out. But once we get that, that'll be cleaned. So I'm going to show you right now all of the parts taken apart, the gears are out and everything like that. And before too long, we'll be putting everything back together. So this right here is a transmission taken apart. We haven't taken all of the gears off of the main rod yet. That's going to be part of our next task, along with cleaning that piece that I mentioned earlier. So we're going to get those gears taken off and get them cleaned deep like we did everything else. So look over here is the main housing. All nice and clean. We've got gears and bearings and pieces all over this tray. But that is our Muncie 4-speed transmission. And the next time you see that transmission, we'll either be putting it back together or it will be already put back together, depending on if I can get it recorded while we're actually in the process of rebuilding it. Otherwise, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all said and done. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.